Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm redoing one of my old videos. I did a video about 2 years ago talking about DIY baby safe cleaners. Now those are great and those did work, but these are better because they smell better. The vinegar my husband didn't like it, I didn't like it. So now these products, they're gonna smell better and they're way easier to do. The other products had too many steps, too many ingredients. These are just water, Myers concentrate, and for my window cleaner, I use alcohol. So let's get into it. First, we're gonna start with the window cleaner. I just got these bottles at the dollar store or your local supermarket, and then I bought these labels. They're labels with a chalk pen. So I got these on Amazon. I'll link everything below, and I just put it on there so it can look cuter. And this one actually is the window cleaner, like I said. This one is about 60% water. I filled water all the way up to here. Your bottle may be different, so just make it about 60%. And then the rest is gonna be alcohol. So here I have my alcohol, and I'm just gonna pour it to about semi-top. And that's it. And there you have your window cleaner. Give it a shake. And window cleaner all done. The next one we're gonna do, I already have it with the water in it already. I put about 90% water in here. This is my multi-surface cleaner. Then I'm gonna go get my Myers. This is my Myers concentrate. I chose the scent Peony. I also get there's something, it's like a lemon scent. That's one of my favorites. And this is not sponsored. This is just my choice and what I found that works for me, and it smells good. And it's all natural, which I enjoy. So now it has water in here, and then I'm gonna get 1/4 cup of the Myers concentrate. Myers concentrate, all done. Oops. Just give it a shake. There you go, that's all done. Now, this is a tub for the floor. This is the floor cleaner. So I had the Method floor cleaner. I bought that once and I just reused it and threw a label on it. The same labels. So what I do with this one, I'm gonna put a little top on there, and I'm gonna go with also 1/4 of the Myers concentrate. All done. And that's it, guys. Super simple, easy, DIY, baby safe, natural cleaners. So now I have my floor cleaner here. I have my multi-surface cleaner. And these two, they were just the water and the Myers. And then my window cleaner, which was just water and alcohol. That's it. So these are my go-to everyday cleaners. Super simple and easy. Thank you guys for watching, and see you soon.